Senior journalist Barkha has slammed editor-in-chief of Times Now channel and old-time NDTV colleague Arnab Goswami over the much-hyped interview with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the Times Now channel. Barkha on her Facebook page has written, "Times Now calls for gagging of media and for journalists to be tried and punished. This man is journalist. I am ashamed to be part of the same fraternity as him." There is another side of the story too, which could be the reason behind Dutt venting her anger. Arnab had held her often accused of towing right-wing agenda debate on the ongoing unrest in Kashmir on Tuesday night and had launched a provocative hashtag on Twitter, #ProPakDoveSilent. Many feel this is an indirect reference to journalists like Dutt, who often engage in criticizing government's policy on both domestic and foreign affairs. However, Arnab is yet to make a reaction on the issue. Newzstreet Desk.